everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm going to be applying two of the Aimeili colors, number 22 and number 65, one in each hand, and adding some goodies from the nail candy shop. They're Mylar Flakes. At least that's my plan as I'm starting out. Okay, that's one coat. Let's go in for coat number 2. This definitely needs at least 2 coats. First, base gel. Okay, this is color 065, Aimeili. The pink. This is like a natural nail bed pink. It would certainly brighten up your nail beds. You could do like a French manicure that's natural looking with this. I believe a salon a long time ago called that an American manicure. They brightened up my nail beds and put clear on the tips. It wasn't like this. I don't know what it was. And this is 020. They're a little different. This is peachy and this is pinky. Nice subtle colors. But we won't stop there. Okay. I don't know which one's which now. This hand has the 020. This hand has the 065. I'm going to add some Mylar Flakes from the nail candy shop. And this is just how I would do it. Remember, I haven't top coated these in yet. And those of you that won my little nail art giveaway, you have a lot of Mylar Flakes in your gift. So congratulations. This is how I would use it. I'm trying to decide which hand. Now, into anything tacky, I pick some up with my tool and just put some down. It's too big for me. can encapsulate these as well. It can be pretty fun. If you get one that's sticking up, just pat it down, and you may have to turn it over. These are just random Mylar Flakies. They're so pretty. These ones, I don't remember the name. I believe they're the white Mylar Flakies. We'll get some hollow out. Top coat. The struggle is real, people. The struggle is real. Normally I would encapsulate something like this. I've run out of know what top coat. Them around until they're back in position. That's what's cool about gel. I'm basically encapsulating them in the know what top coat. Just try to make sure they're all covered so they won't make a mess. And you float your top coat over it. I haven't used these in so long. Forgot what I was doing. Encapsulated in hard gel. It's been so long since I've used it with polishes. Pop that back into my nail. Just float the top coat down and let the top coat get all around everything. You can do one nail at a time if you're struggling with it. So I took some off and repositioned it. That's fine. It's nail art. You do whatever you want to do. Changed my mind. As long as you don't have it cured, you can take it right off. Get all the flecks off. Forgot my little birdies will not like that on my hand. Make sure you have nothing on your brush before you put it back in that bottle. Okay, let's remember which color was which now. Okay, this one is 22. This one is 60 with hello on top. Hello, Mylar Flakies. Well, see me make a mess here today. Thank you for watching Nails of Interest. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.